Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting larger text on your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you find the text on your PlayStation to be a bit too small and hard to read, here is how you can increase the text size. From the main dashboard of your PS4, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility options, the larger text option is the third one down from the top. Click it by pressing the X to enable it. You can also enable bold text here too, if that would help you. Larger text has been enabled on your PS4. You can come back to accessibility settings at any point to change it back. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.